Hello everyone. In my previous video we have learned about square and square root, but in this video we will solve the statement based question. So then question number 4. In a garden, there are 2,304 plants of mangoes. Each row contains as many plants as is the number of rows. How many rows are there in the garden? Means each rows contain as many plant, number of the rows. Each row में जितनी रोज़ हैं उतने ही रोज़ में प्लांट लगे हुए हैं. तो देन फाइंड द हाउ मैनी रोज़ आर देयर इन द गार्डन. लेट द नंबर ऑफ प्लांट इन ईच रो बी एक्स. हमने लेट किया कि नंबर ऑफ प्लांट कितना है एक्स. देन अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर ऑफ द रोज इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ प्लांट इन ईच रोज. The number of row is x, therefore total number of plant is x into x. According to question there are 2,304 plants. So here number of rows equal to x into x. The total number of plants x into x, but given the total number of plant is 2,304, so x into x equal to 2,304. We can write x square equal to 2,304. Find the square root 2,304. First we take prime factorization. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 5 7 6, 2 2 2s are 8, 2 6 are 2 8 are 16, 2 8 are 16, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 4 are 8, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 7 are 14, 2 2 are 4, 2 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 2 9 are 18, 3 3 3 are 9, 3 1 are 3. So then we have also find the prime factor of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 3 into 3. Select the pair 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 3 the 48. Hence the number of row is 48 and the number of plant is each row is 48. Here is the answer is 48. After that question number 5. A general arrange his soldiers in row of form a perfect square. He find that in doing so 60 soldiers are left out. If the total number of soldier be 8160, find the number of soldier in the each row. Same question. Let the number of soldier in each row is x. According to the question number of row is equal to number of the soldier, then number of row is x, total number of soldier x into s. But according to the question 60 soldiers are left out, then remaining soldier is 8,160 minus 60 equal to 8100. So then x square equal to 8100, x equal to under root or square root 8100. We take prime factorizations. 2 2 4s are 8, 0 2 5s are 0, 2 2s are 4, 0 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 3, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, then 3 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 2 2 5, 3 3 7s are 3 5s are 3 2s are 3 5s are 5 5s are and 5 5s are. So the prime factor of 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 2 5. So the group 1 2 3 4, we can write 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, 2 3 6, 6 3 18, 18 5 19. So then answer is the number of soldier in each row is equal to 90. Question number 6. Length of one side of a square floor is 8 meter. How many square stone of side 2 meter can be fixed on the floor? Solution. Let be the sides of a square floor. Square floor means this. One side is 8 meter. Then 8 meter. Area of a square is 8 into 8 equal to 64 meter square. Understand proper that area of the floor equal to 64 meter square. And how many stone of side can be fixed? Stone means 2 side कितना है stone की 2 meter. Then area of stone is the shape of square. So same for formula 2 into 2 meter square means 4 meter square. So if floor is square shape this, then area is 64 और हमारे पास जो एक स्टोन है उसका एरिया कितना है 4 मीटर स्क्वायर. तो आप हम मुझे ये बताइए कि इस 64 एरिया में 4 मीटर स्क्वायर के हमको कितने स्टोन्स चाहिएंगे. तो उसके लिए हमको करना पड़ेगा डिवाइड. तो देन 64 मीटर स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 मीटर स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 16 टाइल्स और स्टोन्स. Question number 7. Find the least number by which 1890 must be multiplied of obtain a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square. So obtain. Solution मीन्स हमें वो लीस्ट नंबर चाहिए जिसकी मल्टीप्लाई करने पर इसमें हम 1890 में हम कौन से डिजिट की मल्टीप्लाई करें, कौन से नंबर की मल्टीप्लाई करें और नंबर भी हमारा लीस्ट होना चाहिए. तो वो परफेक्ट हमें जो ऑब्टेन हो, हमें जो गेट हो वो हमारा परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो. तो देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we find the prime factor of 1890. 1890 means 2 9s are 2, 4s are 8, 2 5s are. It means 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 5s are. Look here, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, but 1, so 105. 3 3s are 3 5s are 5, 7s are and 7 1s are 7. So then prime factor is 1890 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. It is clear. In order the perfect square, then pair, select the pair 1. Only one pair. We have only one pair. So then we required a 1 2 3, 1 more 3, 5 more and 7 more. Hence the given number should be multiplied by 2 into 3 into 7 into 5 to make the product a perfect square. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 13, 7s are 210. That is the answer. The least number obtained 210. That is the answer. Question number 8. Find the least number by which 9408 must be divided so that become a perfect square. Same question. First we find prime factors of 9408. 9408. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 0 4, 2 2s are 2 3s are 5 2, 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 7s are 2 6s are 2 5 8 8, 2 2s are 9s are 4s are 2, that's 1 4 7, 1 4 7 is equal to 3, 4 are 9, 7 into 7 into 7. So we find the 9408 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 3 into 7 into 7. Paired 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair and fourth pair. So 3 is only one number, then one more is 3 is required because 3 is unpaired. Hence the given number should be divided by 3 to make the product of perfect square. So please understand, here we can write become a perfect square. Question number 11. Find the least number exactly divisible by each one of the numbers 6, 9, 15 and 20. So in this question, the least number divisible by the one of the number 6, 9, 15 and 20 is, then first of all we take LCM. The LCM of 6, 9, 15 and 20. 2 3s are 9, 15, 10. 2 3 9 5 5. 3 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 5 into 5. 3 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 5 into 5, then 5, 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, which is LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are 180. So then LCM is 180. We can express it as 180 equal to 2 into 2 in 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Makes a group, one group, second group and 5 is unpaired. Then to make the 180 a perfect square, it should be multiplied by 5. Should be multiplied by 5. So then hence the required number is 180 into 5 is equal to 900. That is the answer. Then students, question number 9 and 11 try to do yourself. If you have any problem in this question, we will discuss in next turn. And thank you for watching video. Okay.